In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the UGC program on Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you watch this video the whole way through to ensure you get every step correct, you don't miss anything out, and just pay close attention to this. Now, once you've done that, we can start the video. So the website we need to go on to first is at devforum.roblox.com and go to the updates and changes section here. I'll put a link down below for you guys. Now, it looks something like this, and basically it says they're expanding the program, so you can have a look at the UGC program itself, like this. The applications are open. It tells you the guidelines here. So it's be a good community member, show your passion, follow basic program guidelines. It tells you the application process, and once you're ready, you can apply here. So at the bottom there's this link here. You can just right click on it and open it. And it says, if you haven't had a chance yet, please read through our announcement prior to filling out this application. Once you've done so, head over to our avatar shop and start getting inspired. Please review the list below and create at least one accessory type. For your selected type, please create a unique original item and document your creation process. We ask you to submit your documentation process in this application, so you can create any one of these items here. Add images of your accessories to the Talent Hub portfolio and link it here for us to see. Remember, our team is looking for creators who are able to set themselves apart from other creators in the shop and must have nice but not required is that you can create detailed items. Once you've submitted the masterpiece, please insert them into the Roblox Studio and export them as a RBXM file in order to up them later in the application. You must put them in this format. So once you're ready, you can put your date of birth in here, so just put your date of birth. Next, you can put in your name, first name, last name, email address, Roblox username, what country you're located in, Twitter handle, and how did you hear about the application. Next, it's going to ask you how you heard about it. Well, actually, it's going to ask you the terms and conditions, accept them, how long you've been doing this for, and has your work been used in any games. Basically, you can just go through all these questions, fill them all out, and then you'll be able to apply. And that's basically how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.